Okay, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention above show center to the American flag. And if you're able, please rise and remove your hats to honor America and those who support our freedom at home and abroad. Active duty and veterans are welcome to salute. And now, please join in the singing of our national anthem, Miss Joelle Martino.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Absolutely beautiful. One more time for all our jumpers and Miss Joelle Martino. Give her a big hand. All right, as they approach the runway and get ready for their landing, please give them a big round of applause from iSkydive.com.